so today we were making a slime with my friend Lucy.
Hi.
So our theme is like pink, preppy, like kind of like bright pink. Just for vibrant.
Girly stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
So if you're a boy, keep scrolling.
Yeah.
First ingredient you're obviously going to need is a spoon and a bowl to mix in. So let's get, and then you're going to need glue to pour that in. Next thing you're going to need is some, oh my gosh, glycerin, but I like to call it glissy. Next step is to mix all the glissy in. Next thing is coloring, and like we said, we're doing like a preppy pink slime, vibrant pink, and we're doing.
You're going to use some pink food coloring and some pink acrylic paint.
Again, next thing is to mix. So the color is obviously so slay. It's like very vibrant, very pink. Okay. Next thing we're obviously gonna need.
My slime's gonna be named Regina George.
Okay. So then we're gonna add some activator.
Yes.
And then obviously the next step is mix. So these are our slimes.
Yeah, Slay. We're like twins, and mine's Regina George.
Mine's Karen.
And again, if you're a boy who likes slime, like sure, stay. But like, if you don't like slime, then don't keep staying. Like you,
Like,
if you're like a soccer boy that likes being a gangster and stuff, like keep go. Yeah,
Okay.
and Skrull, Skibbity.